we are starting with the most tough thing of this mental ability test. But ये भी आपको बहुत easy लगेगा. I have kept all the thing in a very simple and lucid manner. Today we are going to start first chapter of our mental ability test. It is series. We will learn about the possible type of series. This series is most important part of any competition. Whether you are going for your campus selection, whether you are going for your NTSC, or whether you are going for Olympiad, or whether you are going for PSU or even IAS, IES, anywhere, all the competition, this series is inherent part. Once we understand this thoroughly, each and every concept, the question or your doubt forever will be clear if you watch this complete class carefully. Students, let us start with this series. Before going to this series, the most important thing or the most challenge of this mental ability test in any examination is related to the time management. You can think you will be given for around 100 questions and you have to complete it within 110 or 120 minutes. So you must think you are available with only 100 minutes because another 10 or 15 minutes is taken for darkening the bubbles or completing the ORMC. So your speed or your preparation should be such that within a minute you should be able to solve the questions of this mental ability test. How to solve? A student, for that the only key is practice, practice, practice. More you practice, fastly you can do and easily get the answer in your competitive examination, and you crack the examination very easily. But if you think you will just remember something and you will start fighting at the examination, you cannot do it. So most important thing is you have to practice, but you cannot just think or practice without any base. So what is the basic thing? All those things I will explain along with large number of questions so that you can solve any kind of possible question over the topics. Students, the important thing is you must know the base because you cannot think in vacuum. So main challenge is the time pressure, and time can be managed only if you are familiar with those things or similar kind of things. So that's why the challenge of this time pressure because you have to complete one question in 1 minute. So the remedy or solution is practice, faster calculation, and you need some tricks. Tricks are what? Tricks are nothing but the ready-made or the final outcome of the concept. Just finally what you have to use rather than going for longer calculation, just which kind of substitution or calculation you shall do. So students, for all these things, the important thing is there must be some basic thing or familiar thing in reference to that you can answer or think the new kind of pattern or series or number or new things even. Okay, so what are those basic things? That we will just quickly recap, though in our last lecture we have learned each and everything in much more detail. There we have learned that few familiar things which are acting as milestone in this mental ability test. They are the table that you have learned in your academics or in your school standard. They are the square up to 25 or even 30. Then cube up to 10 or 12, then the power 4 for the number up to the 10, that one, or at least up to 8. The other one is for identifying the number, the prime number play another important role. So you must keep in mind which number are the prime number, how is that number is obtained, whether some subtracting or adding a number with the prime number, or whether some mathematical formula is followed. So remembering or keeping these familiar things on your fingertips are most important thing. Student, so the most important thing or familiar number, they are the prime number, perfect square, cube and tables. These are. Students, other numbers in the series or analogy or coding, decoding or classification, that can be obtained by adjusting these known numbers. Means whatever these key stones or milestones that we are keeping in our mind, with reference to that, the other number is allocated by some addition, subtraction or some multiplication. How is the variation? Those things. So a student, for getting that, the important thing is finding the difference between the number or observe the pattern as it is. We will see. Another one is, if you are given with the alphabets, you must think it in the term of numbers. That we have learned in our last class or in last lecture very much detail. A student, something can be represented pictorially with the help of Venn diagram or by arranging on the horizontal line, vertical line or circular line like table or arrangement. That thing we will see later. Students, so the important thing that we have to keep in mind is table up to at least 25. If not 25, then at least up to the 22 is very important. And the table is already written here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, like the same thing. But these things should be available on your fingertips. Without taking even a second, you shall give the answer. Student, the next one is the square or the power series. Keep in mind, for the power series, you must know the square up to 25 or 30. Like, if you are taking a number, then their square, you are already knowing, if any power or any number having power 0, its value is always 1. If the power is 1, the number remain as it is, no issues. But for the square, students, you must keep in mind up to, you are getting, this is for the square up to 25. Always keep in mind. In this case, the important thing is these numbers, okay, now, which are not easily remembered by many students. Okay, student, these numbers. So considering this, these three will be given. What will be the next one? You have to give this number. Getting no? This is the odd numbers which are not easily remembered, because 400 you can easily identify, 324 even easily identified, 256 is also easily identified. So always keep in mind these numbers which appears odd one or different one, then with reference to this, the questions are directly framed. A student, for the cube series, keep in mind up to the cube of 11 or 12. Up to 10 is very much essential. A student, in this 343 and 729 are most important number, because the number near to this, you will able to identify the relation by knowing or remembering these key things. Other are quite easy to identify. A student, power 4, quite easy. In this power 4, there is nothing. So if you are taking the power up to 4, so for the number up to 7 or 8, their fourth power you have to keep in mind. Students, for the power 5, you have to keep in mind up to the 5 or even up to the 4 you have to keep in mind. Then power 6 for the number 3, then power 7, 8, and for this 2 you have to remember power 11. Okay, student, this table we had already learned last day, so I'm not going to spend too much time over this. Then the other important one is the prime numbers. A student, prime number is the key things with respect to which you are allocating, because directly questions are framed based on the prime numbers. In this prime number, you are already knowing the prime number up to 40 or 50. It's quite easy. But from here, the 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97, these are important. So prime number up to 125 is most important thing. Another series is framed from here. 107, 113, 119, 123. What will be the next number? You have to think, you are knowing it is the prime, the next prime number. We will learn. The next important familiar thing what we have to keep in mind is the Pythagorean triplets. You are knowing what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem tells that if you have this perpendicular and base, then this hypotenuse, there is a relation between this perpendicular base and hypotenuse. For a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is p square plus b square. So such a three number which satisfy this condition are very important, because in classification or in some kind of series or pattern, even such relation numbers are given and you have to find it. Find the next triplet. Student, it is 3, 4, 5. How? You are knowing that if you add this 3 square plus 4 square, it is 25 square. Sorry, it is 25, which is 5 square. Okay. So here you are getting the bigger number is obtained by the square of other smaller number plus 12 square. Student, this is most important part of missing character, where a table will be given to you and you will be asked, say, how is this question is framed? The question is framed like this. Students, very easy thing. So students, question may be given 9, 12, 15. What will be here? If it is 15, 25, and another one is your 7, 24, 25. Students, most of the students are not able to solve this. But what is this? If you are looking vertically, means in the column, 9 square plus 12 square is 15 square. It is this one. Okay, student? Also on this side, for this column, 7 square plus 24 square is 25 square. Obviously, this middle number should also follow the same relation. Means this 25 square should be equal to 15 square plus what square? Means that one we have taken is this one. Students, 15 what? 25. This one. It is the triplet. So if you are knowing these triplets, directly you can write without wasting or even calculation that it is our 20. Okay, students? So it was just arrangement of this 9, 12, 15 in the first column. Then in next column, 15, what? 25. So it must be this 20. Students, the other one was already 7, 24, 25. So it appears most difficult question of the competition, but it is the easiest one because you were not remembering these things. So these are some key things what we have to keep in mind. We will see some more question in more detail, don't worry. So these are the key things. So these are the 5 key things for the numbers. Other numbers are allocated with reference to these numbers. A student, for the alphabets, we had already learned in more detail. Our mind is easily able to do the mathematics over the numbers, not over the alphabets. So we shall think if it is B, not as B, but it is the 2 or the 25 in forward or backward. So position is more important for these alphabets. Students, the same thing we had written, and this thing we had already learned in our previous class. If you have doubt, please go through that basic video in more detail. Please listen it completely again and again. So this thing, I'm not going to explain how to remember this position quickly or how to write the position quickly. That you go through the previous videos. So these were the basic thing to manage the time. Now let us come for this series. What is this series? A student, series is the ordered or any grouped number which follows certain mathematical rules or logic. A student, like the logic can be group of prime numbers in ascending order, descending order. The logic may be each of the number is increasing by 5, means the difference is 5. Okay, so just writing the numbers which is following some mathematical rule or relation is forming a series. A student, it may be number, it may be alphabet. Alphabet may be your A, B, C, D, need not continuous. One may take A, another E, another J. What will be the next? Very easy, at the gap of 5 or at the position 1, 5, 10. That way. Students, so what is this series? We are going to understand. So student, what is this series? Series is group of number or alphabet or character following certain rules, order or relation or mathematical logic. Getting? Let us see how is this series. Let us take this first question. For understanding this, what is the mathematical relation which is followed by these numbers? Keep in mind, mathematical relation doesn't mean the formula. Any kind of logic, like each of the number is increasing by 2 or 4 or one is multiple of another or all the numbers are prime, that kind of logic. So this mental ability test simply means you have to apply your ability of mind. Okay, but for that the basics are very important. A student, just observe this: 7, 13, 19, 25, 31, 37. What we are getting? If you are just observing this, it is not in the table, also not in the just a square or cube. But if we are going to take the difference, 5 means 7 to 13. So 13 minus 7 is our 6. Taking the other difference means always take the higher number minus lower number. Means 7 added with 6 going to give us 13. Again 13 added with 6. How I am getting this 6? 19 minus 13. Taking the difference 25 and 19, again plus 6. Again here we are getting plus 6. Again here we are getting as plus 6. So what is the relation? The relation is that the next number, whatever this number is there, the next number is obtained by adding the previous number or previous terms. Let us call that terms as n minus 1. In that we are going to add this 6. So simply adding 6 is one of the mathematical rule or logics which is followed. So what can be obtained? The same logic have to be applied at this interval also. So for this interval, we have determined this what can be obtained by adding this 6 in this 37. So 37 plus 6, it is our 43. That much simple. So this is forming one of this series. And the most simplest series, we will go ahead of this. A student, the difference is 6. So the next number is 43. Let us take the other number. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89. Yeah, tell me the answer quickly. Students, let us see. What is this? 71, 73, 79, 83, 89. Okay. You have taken the difference here. The difference is plus of 2. The difference is here plus of 6. The difference is here adding 4. Here the difference or the next number is obtained by adding 6. What will be the next number? Students, here if we are just taking the difference and observing, we are not getting that all these differences are constant or they are increasing or decreasing. But if we just focus, what is the 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, just I had explained. These numbers are prime numbers or not? Students, just I had told you, you can see this. You people are forgetting. I had told you to remember these things. 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, Students, here we are getting that all these numbers are the prime number. So we have to search for next prime number. So the answer is, correct answer is 97. Very good. So student, that's why I told you, keep in mind the prime number up to 150 or up to 120. That is more important. So the correct answer or the next number is our 97 students. This one. Let us take one more example. 5, 9, 17, 33, 65. What is the next number? Again, we have to think for the mathematical logic. What logic is satisfied here? Students, what we are getting? Is this prime? It is not a prime number. Then what is the number? What is our familiar number near to the given number? You have to think for that. Students, you are already knowing that familiar to this 5 is the 4. This 9, also 9, or the 8. This is our 16. This 32. These are most familiar numbers. These are 64. These are the familiar numbers, what we are knowing. But by adjusting, we can get it. Adding 1, adding 1, adding 1, adding 1, adding 1. We are getting everywhere. So what will be the next number? Next number will obtained by next familiar number. But what is this? 2, sorry, this 4, 8, 16, 32. All of these are the power of 2. It is our 2 to the power 2 plus 1. Next, this one is our 2 to the power 3 plus 1. This is 16 is 2 to the power 4 plus 1. 32 is 2 to the power 5 plus 1. This is our 2 to the power 6 plus 1. So next number will surely be 2 to the power 7 plus 1. 2 to the power 7, 128 plus 1. So it is our 129. So the answer is 129. That much easy. So knowing the basic thing, you can quickly answer. We are just understanding what is called as the rule followed. So here we are getting that the rule followed is this one. Means 2 to the power n means power of 2 with increasing of 1 in each of the term. Students, one may also think with the help of difference. So this is the one way of finding. Means this is method 1. One may think, what is the difference? 5 and 9 is 4. What is the next difference? 9 and 17 is 8. The next difference, 33 minus 17 is our 16. The next difference 32. Is our 32. Even applying the difference series, we can also guess it. Here we are getting that this difference means the next number is obtained by adding 4, 8, 16, 32. So surely the next number that we shall add should be our 60. What can be obtained by adding the 64 over the 65? So it is 65 plus 64. It is also 129. So students, here we have understood few more things. That even the series or the number may follow different relation, or the answer can be searched even by the different logics also. Though this is the observation with the different series and this is direct observation. Means what we are observing, this method is our, write it carefully. आप अपने नोटबुक में स्टूडेंट्स लिखते जाइए, बाद में आपको मिलेगा नहीं ये सब कहीं. Though I will try to upload this video. So students, here this is direct number or terms relation. Terms relation. तो यहां देखिए हमने टर्म्स के डायरेक्ट मैथमेटिकल रिलेशन फाइंड करके अगले नंबर को हमने प्रिडिक्ट किया. हाँ स्टूडेंट. और what is in the second method, that here we have difference relation. Difference means successive difference, दो नंबर के बीच का डिफरेंस हमने निकाला. तो यहां देखिए मैं डिफरेंस रिलेशन देखा कि डिफरेंस इज कंटिन्यूअसली increased or multiplied by 2 from the previous difference, because this 4 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 2, 16 multiplied by 2, so 32 will also multiplied with the 2 to get this 64. This 64 have to be added with this 65 to obtain this 129. So this way the difference relation we have obtained. Students, by this difference relation, the answer we have calculated, or direct term relation. So in series, the important thing is you have to think in two ways. The first way, or the simplest way, find the difference, see whether it is constant or increasing or decreasing or following some rule. The other thing, you may directly find the terms relation, means how this term is related to this, means how this term is related to this in the term of basic rules of mathematics. Okay, student, like here direct term relation. Do not think that wherever difference relation, term relation will also exist, or in many of the question there will be only the term relation. The difference relation you cannot get because the difference will be random, but this term will be related to each other. So that relation we will also see. Students, so here we are observing that in all of these series, some order or mathematical logic is followed, either for their differences or the type of number or some mathematical relation for these numbers with the basic or familiar numbers. A student, let us just take one more, which is not the number but alphabet. It is given as BD, HJ, NP. What will be the next one? This is also possible. This is the series and this is called as alphabetic series. Students, here we are observing that this B and D, we may understand this in the term of number or we may understand just by counting. Students, so quickly remember that B is 2, D is 4. This H is 8, J 10, and 1 and 4, 14, T is our 16. Students, what we are getting? We are getting that next one is obtained by addition of these two. Okay, in each of these we are getting it is addition of these two. Okay, it is one thing, but this is within this pair of alphabets or pair of these numbers in term of position values we have written. But here we are getting another thing, that this 4 have increased to 8, means 4 either it have been added by another 4 or it have been multiplied by the 2. So these are the two possibilities for relating this D and H, or this 4 and 8. But again we have to verify whether this 4 is plus 4 is followed or multiplied by 2 is followed, because 4 2 is 8, 4 plus 4 is also 8. That is obtained from this, the next term. Here we are getting 10 to 14, it have increased, means it is addition of 4, otherwise it should be 20. Okay, but it is not the 20. So this plus 4 is true. So for the next series or for the next alphabet, for what we shall get, student, again keep in mind this 4 is added with this second part of this pair, like over 10 this 4 is added. So another 4 have to be added over the second part, means 20. This 16 plus 4, which is our 20. And the next part will obtained by adding another 2. So adding this 2, it becomes 22. Corresponding to 20, the alphabet is our T20. So T. And this is our 22. Corresponding to 22, V. Getting? So what should be our TV? This is the answer. Okay, that much easy. So the logic is also followed in this alphabet. That's why I had advised you to keep this alphabets in the form of number, which can be determined very easily. Or a student, here considering the gap you can get it, but that gap calculation or using your fingers, that will take too much time. But while looking into the numbers, it is quite easily visible that next pair is obtained by adding the 4, and within the pair it is increased by 2. So it is 20, 22. So it is our TV. That much easy. So it is this much logic or very simple logic. So TV, the pair of difference, and next is 4. Okay, very easy. Student, let us take one more example to understand. Here we are getting it is 1, 1, 3, 11, 47, and what is the next? Student, you have to think for the basic thing, like you must start with the difference. If we are taking the difference here to here, the difference 1 to 1. Student, let us consider this question number 5. This series is 1, 1, 3, 11, 47. What is the next step? First, we shall start with the difference. Taking the difference 1 to 1 means it is 0 difference. Coming 1 to 3, it is plus 2 difference. Coming 3 to 11, it is 8 plus 8 difference. Coming for 11 to 47, it is our 36 difference. Students, if we were given with the 0 to 8, if this were the 16, then we can think for next will be the 32. But here the difference is, the difference at this 47 and 11 is 36, which is not following any relation. Means no pattern you can think with this difference, because this was 0 to 8. Then next would be either 16 or even 32 or 64. Then we may think, but here it is 36, so nothing is followed. So this difference relation, this is not useful. We can leave it. Now let us go for the other. When difference relation fails, you try to find the relation among itself. A student, what it could be? The other thing that we can do, search for the nearby number. If we are searching for the nearby number, start with this n. The nearby square or cube, if we are considering the square, it is 32, but this is far away from this 47. If we are considering the cube, then it is either 27 or 64 for this 3 and 4. Students, in the term of 2, it could be the 32, but this number is far away from these known key numbers or keystone that we are keeping in mind. Again, for this, it can be the 8, but again it is 3. And even considering this 8, the same relation is not followed here, like the cube. That will not be followed, because it is like 8 plus 3, if we are considering this 27 plus 20, too much difference. That is not applicable. Again, for this 2, it is not applicable. So the second method of considering the square and cubes are also not applicable. Then what to do? Then try to search the relation among themselves. How this can be obtained from this previous one. A student, so for the third trial, we are trying to get one of the number from its previous one. Say 11 from this 3, or this 3 from 1, this one from this one. For that, you keep in mind, you just leave these initial numbers for a few seconds. You start thinking from this end, bigger number. A student, the biggest number is our 47. Here I am getting that if I multiply this 11 by 4, we are able to get 44. But this is 47. Means I shall also add another 3. Multiply this 11 by 4 and add 3, we are able to reach here. Similar logic, whether it is followed on these places or not, this number may change. Now if I consider this 3 and 11, 3 multiplied with 3. 3 3s are 9, but it is 11, so plus 2. Let us watch it. Let us try for this 1 to this 3. Students, 1, and we want to get this 3. So we can write 1 into 3 directly, or we can write 1 into 2 plus 1. Students, 1 to 1. 1 to 1 can be understand multiplied by 1, or we can say it is multiplied by 1 and added 0. So student, this number from their previous number we have written with that relation. If we observe carefully, then here we are getting, see, this number is obtained by multiplying previous by 4 adding 3. This 11 is obtained by multiplying previous by 3 adding 2. This 3 can be obtained by multiplying the previous number by 2 and adding 1. And this one can be obtained by multiplying previous number by 1 and adding 0. So this multiplied by 3 is not following any rule, but multiplied by 2 plus 1, with this series it follows the rule. So what is the rule? The rule is the previous number is multiplied by some number, and in that we are adding some new number. But which number we shall multiply and what we shall add? Student, for that you have to observe this pattern or this relation. Multiplied by 1 added 0. It is this one. In this case, multiplied by 2. So students, what we are observing here in this hint, we can see that from first to second, it is our multiplied by 1 added 0. From this 1 to 1. For next 1 to 3, multiplied by 2 and it was added with 1. The next number 3 to 11 is obtained by multiplying by 3 and adding 2. The next number 11 to 47 is obtained by multiplying by 4 and adding 3. So what can be now predicted very easily? So what can be obtained by multiplying the preceding term by, in place of 4 we have to take this 5 and we have to add in place of 3 this 4. What we are getting here? Multiplication factor is increasing, that's why I have increased it to 5, and addition number which was 0 1 2 3 4. So the addition terms or addition or this adjustment number is also following some pattern. So this is the complex relation which is followed. So what can be obtained by taking this 47, multiply it by 5, add this 4. So go for adding this. 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 23 plus 4. So it is our 2 student. So 239 is the correct answer. इसमें मजा आया होगा आई थिंक स्टूडेंट. तो ये क्वेश्चन आपके एनटीएससी में लास्ट ईयर पूछे थे, तो आपके आईक्यू इस लेवल के होने चाहिए. देखिए मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग आई हैव कवर्ड स्टूडेंट. So what is this series? In series, certain mathematical rules or logic will be given, and accordingly you have to find the unknown, or even the wrong one is also possible. But for that, the most important thing is to catch the rule. What is the pattern? What is the rule applicable in this series? The same rule you have to apply for calculating the unknown. For that, very first you shall just start with the difference of number. If it is constant or just increasing or easily visible, next term can be determined very easily. If not, then go for observing the number directly or the number itself. If the number is prime number or some square or cube, means the familiar number, that could be a series. Very simple. The next one, our milestone, means the familiar number with some adjustment. Okay, like here we have seen. Or even the difference is following some familiar number That one we are getting. In this we have seen. So the two rules are applicable. This series can be also for this alphabet. This is called alphabetic series, students. And the higher level one is these numbers are following some multiplication with addition or a square with addition. Those things we are going to learn everything. So what we are observing, this number series means the number related series or alphabet related series. These are the two most common, but it is also possible to combine this alphabet, this number, that is called as alphanumeric series, that we will see. There is other way of framing this series where a figure will be given, means 4 figure will be given. What will be the 5th figure? So let us go for the next topic. Students, let us consider this question number 5 once more. The question is 1, 1, 3, 11, 47. Here we are getting that it is not near to any of the familiar number what we are keeping in our mind, like a square series, cube series, prime number, not closer to that. Okay. Another one, these numbers are also not successive prime. Those things cannot be. Then considering the difference is also not constant, or difference is also not following any pattern. Then the next level is we have to find the relation of this given term with their preceding one. What is the relation? That we have to find. For finding the relation, you always start with some bigger number of this or bigger term of this series. Like you can start with 3 and 11 or 11 and 47, but do not just start with this beginning of two numbers, okay, or just beginning terms. Let us consider this 11 to 47 first. How I can have obtained this 47 from this 11? Students, various mathematical relations are possible. One may think I'm going to multiply this 11 by 5, it becomes 55, then minus 8. This is also a possible relation. Means I have multiplied this 11 by 50 by 5, become 55. In that I have subtracted this 8 to get this 47. Other student may think the relation could be 11 4 means he will multiply this by 4, he will reach to 44, then plus 3. Let us just take these two relations only. There could be some other relation. Other relation, direct addition is not beneficial, that we have seen. That is the difference. So let us consider these two relations. Students, now let us come for the backward. This 3 to 11. How I can get this 3 to 11? One may multiply this 3 with this 4. 3 4s are 12 and subtract 1. Or the other student may think he will just multiply this with the 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 2. One may think like this. Students, these are the possible rules I have written. From this possible mathematical simple relation or rules you have written, you have to determine which one is applicable, which one is following some pattern. Okay, student? Let us come to this 1 2 3. So for 1 2 3, one may think directly multiplied by 3, or one may think 1 multiplied by 2 with addition of 1. And for this 1 to 1, one may write this simply multiplied by 1, or one may think it is multiplied by 1 with addition of 0. Now, the important thing is which rule is suitable for us, or what we shall consider. That is the other thing. Students, again start thinking. Now, after writing these rules, we have to search what is possible, or which of these relation is following certain pattern, certain kind of similarity or changes in same order. Students, if you consider this one, say this one, and compare with this one. Okay, it is multiplied by 5 minus 8, but it is multiplied by 4 minus 1. It is multiplied by 3, but nothing is subtracted. But getting this relation means it is subtracted 0, or this odd number relation is quite difficult because how it have jumped from 1 to 8, we cannot predict. Okay, so this is not suitable for us. Let us think for the other number. If we are considering 11 multiplied by 4 added 3, okay, preceding that multiplied by 3 added 2, preceding that multiplied by 2 added 1, preceding that multiplied by 1 added 0. So what we are getting, this rule, the second possible rule that we have written is following some mathematical relation and it is continuous. So in pattern or series, the rule or relation must follow some continuity. That is important. So as students, how is that? So here we can write as a matter of hint that the next number means next number, let us call the Tn, that can be obtained by multiplying the previous number, means the term before this Tn, Tn minus 1. It is multiplied by some number and also it is being added by some other factor. Let us call this as P. Okay, student? Is this mathematical relation? Here we are getting means what? This K and P that we can write here for this very first one. So this is for the first term to second term, it is our multiplied by 1 added 0. From the second to third, multiplied by 2 added 1. Students, from third to fourth, it is multiplied by 3 added 2. From fourth to fifth, it is multiplied by 4 and added 3. So if anyone is asking for the next number should surely be multiplied by 5 and added with 4. Here we are getting this mathematical relation is smooth, means the continuous one, and it is followed. Means what? This what can be obtained by taking multiplication with 5 of whom? The previous number. The previous number is 47. So 47 multiplied by 5 plus the additional one is 4. So just we have done, it is go for multiplying. It is 2, 3, 5 plus 4. It is our 239. This is the answer. Okay. So very easy. Students, such kind of relation we have to search. At your level in NTSC, we have to struggle with this relation. So these questions are very simple. These are not difficult. But हमारे बच्चे इस बेसिक्स को समझते नहीं है कि how to approach this question, इसीलिए उनको difficult लगता है. Unless or until you are familiar with these things, how to approach, how to search these rules, आप यदि डायरेक्ट एग्जाम में जाएंगे तो कहां से ढूंढ पाएंगे? तो क्वेश्चन छूटेंगे. That's why मैं जब भी पढ़ाता हूं आपको एक एक चीज को पूरा डिटेल में पढ़ाता हूं. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको IQ, आपका दिमाग को डेवलप कर रहा है पढ़ाई का मतलब, रटना थोड़े. ये डू यू थिंक the same question is going to ask next year? A student, based on the same rule the question will be asked. These numbers will change surely, but whatever the rules that we are learning here, that will be applicable. This rule may be in different way. This time it is multiplied by 1 plus 0, multiplied by 2 plus 1. Next time it may be asked multiplied by 2 minus 1, multiplied by 3 minus 2, multiplied by 4 minus 3. That way. Okay, means what? These relations have to be searched. The possible relation can be multiplication with adjustment. Adjustment may be by addition or subtraction. Okay, student? So it is based on this. So this question number 5 is most important question, and searching the rule, applying it is the key thing. Let us see our next topic, the type of series. What are the various possible type of series? Students, This series means the relation or the mathematical relation or mathematical logic can be framed between the numbers or between the alphabets or with some number and some alphabets or maybe in the form of figure itself. So considering those things, total possible type of series can be of this 5 type or rather 6 type that I am going to discuss. So students, the first one is, or the broader classification is, considering these numbers and alphabets together and considering the figure separately. Figure is called as non-verbal, where no statement will be written. You have to apply your mind just by observing the figure or pattern, how the figure is changing. You have to find the next figure. But in case of some alphabets or numbers, series will be given, means the number relation will be given. That is called as verbal. So students, broadly it can be the verbal, means language based, or the figure based, non-verbal. Now this verbal is of these 5 categories. Students, one is called as the number series, where only number will be there. The another will be alphabetic series, where only alphabet will be there. The next one is alphanumeric series, alphabet and number. These two are connected together. The next one is the alphabets or character or symbol are following certain pattern. Like you are just saying A B A B A B A B A B A B A B. What we are getting? It is a pattern. So that is called pattern based or character. Or it may be possible to write this as a ABC, 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 like this. It could be. But how the question is framed? It will be given as A dash C dash B C dash B dash. You have to fill these places. What will be at the place 1? What will be at place 2? What will be at place 3? What will be at place 4? So here you have to find how is this pattern. This is the repeated pattern. ABC, ABC, ABC. So you need to divide it into the 3. ABC, ABC, ABC. Then you can get at the position 1, it will be B. At the position 2, again it should be ABC. So it is A. At the position 3, also A. At the position 4, it will be C. So your answer will be like this. So this is called alphabet or character pattern. But you will not be given with this ABC. You will be given with this. But you have to understand this is going to form ABC, ABC only by filling those things. Students, let us come for the number series. I had already explained some of the number series and alphabet series, but let us take few more just to understand. 5, 9, 13, 70. What is the next? Again, it is our difference based. The answer is also written here. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Plus 4 is 17. So next number will be plus 4. It is our 21. Very easy. So number relation. Next one is 5, 9, 17, 33. How is this? 5, 9, 17, 33. Students, though answer is also displayed here, but here you could not get the difference relation, or difference become more difficult, or the difference relation can also be applied here. See here.
Sir, can I?
5, 4, 9 to 17 is our 8, and 17 to 33 is our 16. So next is obtained by adding 32 in this 33, because the difference relation is 4, 8, 16. So next difference will be 32. So what will be obtained by adding this 33 with the difference 32? So it is our 65. Students, there is other relation also. What is that? 5 to the minus 1. 5 to the 10 minus 1 is 9. So that way we can write 9 to the 18 minus 1, 17. 17 to the 34 minus 1, 33. So next can be obtained by considering 33 into 2 minus 1. It is our 66 minus 1 is our 65. The same 65. Here we are getting two logics or two rules can be applied as I had explained earlier. Okay, student? So very easy. बहुत easy. You have to just feel confident. Do not try to mug up whatever the hint just I have written. It is this one. Now the third question is this one. Please write it. Students, आपको ये बनाने बहुत जरूरी है because this is the summary of entire mental ability test के हर टाइप के कितने टाइप के सीरीज होते हैं उसका ये समरी है. What will be the next one? Students, let us call this as what x and what y. These two what we have to determine. Students, here you are observing that if we consider the difference, it is our 2 1 to 2 means plus 1. Next 2 to 4 plus 2. Next one plus 0 plus 3 plus 1. Here we are getting that this difference is not following any pattern. So applying the difference could not give us any result. Go for the other approach. What the other could be? Other could be if we are taking the multiplication. Here it is multiplied by 2. Here it is multiplied by 2. But here it is multiplied by 1. Here even this multiplication is not followed. Means though we can write multiplied by 2 minus 1. Here it is not followed. So this multiplication rule is also not followed. Then what to do? But if we observe this series carefully, here if we consider this first term, say this 1 and this 4 and this 7, means if I just take this term at the odd places, the next if I consider this one. So considering this thing, we are able to understand that these odd terms or the number at the odd position is forming one of the series. 1, 4, then this 7, then this what y. And considering the even terms means whatever we had left here, the other series we can also get it. This is our 2, means consider this 2, this 4, this 8. Students, with this 8 we will get this one, keep in mind, and this was for this one. So what x was there? So we can consider this 2, 4, 8, and this way we can get this what y. Here we are getting that if we consider the first series, which was our 1, 4, 7, means in the rounded form, this box, what we have written here separately, 1, 4, 7, that can give us the what x, means the first what. Here we are getting it is plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Very good. So this implies what x can be obtained by adding plus 3 in this 7. Keep in mind. So it is 7 plus 3. It is going to give us 10. But the even position numbers or even position terms that we have separated is our 2, 4, 8. The other can be determined very easily. Or the simplest one. It is 2 2s are 4 2s are, so it will be 8 2s are. Very easy. So this implies what y will be 8 into 2. That much easy. It is our 16. So the number is what is asked here, what x, means the next two term will be our 10 and 16. These are the required ones. That much simple. You have to just write it. Students, how I am writing? You must write this question with the black pen. Then whatever the rough or whatever the extra thing that we are doing, you must write it in the blue pen. ताकि बाद में आपको help मिलेगा. आप इन्हीं questions को करके जाएंगे, आपके concepts revise हो जाएंगे. All question you are able to do. क्योंकि मैथ में क्वेश्चन और नंबर्स नहीं रटे जा सकते हैं, बट कॉन्सेप्ट और क्या हम अप्लाई करने हैं वो देखने से पता चलता है. So here we are getting that the single series can be written in the two series. So it is two series concept, two series or two alternate series. Alternate series means two series are present or two series. These two series are merged together to get this single series. So we have to understand what is the mathematical logic, whether it is of the alternate series or direct term relation. So it is this. So these are number related. Let us come for this other category, alphabetic series. In alphabetic series, you will be given with the relation among the alphabets. Say the example BD, GI, LN, QS. What will be the next? Very easy, students. It is like just write the position value and apply the rule that just I had explained. So it is our 2, 4, G is our 7,
9.
9. Very good. L is like our L.
12.
The 12. हमने बोला ना ऐसा मेरे को 12 दिखता है. हाँ. So 12 and 14. Q again 17. Very good. This is hanging lobe, so H से just पहले. So it is our 17. S is 19. Our 19. But we are getting that within this pair it is increased by 2, but this is increased by 4 plus 3 plus 3. So this way 14 plus 3. The next will be 17 plus 3. No, that will be wrong. Student, this 19 plus 3 because this is already 2. So 19 plus 3 is our 22 plus 2 is our 24. So 22 is our V and 24 is the multiplication X. So Vx is the answer. So the answer is Vx. Very easy. So this is the relation with the alphabet. But for finding the alphabetic relation, quickly keep in mind these numbers, and number calculation is very easy. Or even this you can get by using just increased by 2, increased by 4, then again confirmation, that will take a longer time. Rather than just quickly understand in the term of number, get the result. A student, BY, DW, FU, HS, what we are getting? It is the opposite pair, BY, DW, FU, HS. So within the pair they are opposite, but B to D, D to F it is going, F to H. So now we have to increase from this H. B to D means plus 2. D to
2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah. So it is our 2, 4, 6, 8. So next will be our 10. 10 is corresponding to J. And plus 2 become the 12.
Q.
So it is our means J with the reverse pair, students. So J means Jack is associated with the Queen.
Q.
So it is our JQ. Okay. So JQ is the answer. So this way the relation with their alphabets will be given and we have to find. This is the second kind of. Let us come for the third kind of series, alphanumeric. The name itself given that it is consisting of one is alphabet, another one is number. So the two are associated. Let us take this example. 5 EF, 7 GH, 11 KL, 13 MN. What is next? In such a case, we have to think for how is this number related to other number. Here we are getting 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 plus 2. This rule is followed. Next one is the alphabet. With the alphabet we have to think. Consider the alphabet with alphabet. E to G. E, F, G. Either in the term of number or just by shifting one we can write E, F, G means plus 2. Then H, G, H, I, J, K. So better one is to write in the term of their position value. Let us write down the position value. E is corresponding to this 5, G is corresponding to 7, and K is corresponding to our 11. Student, this is our 2, this is our 4. Student, keep in mind. 7 to 11 we have taken, then plus 2 we have taken. Student, this K position value is our 11. M position value is 13. Here we are observing that this number, the alphabet in the middle is nothing but same with the same position value. 5E. 7, this number was given and the alphabet is G. This 11 was given, the alphabet is K. The 13 is given, the alphabet is M. Students, just we have to observe the pattern. Here we are getting that 2 is added, 4 is added, 2 is added. So next time I need to add 4. So adding 4 in this 13, the number we obtained will be our 17. And corresponding to this 17, this alphabet is written. So 17 is our Q. So it is 17Q we have determined. Now coming for this F, H, L. Here we are getting E to F, means it has just increased by 1. Then H, G, H increased by 1. K, L increased by 1. M, N increased by 1. So Q, R, means Q should be increased by 1. So 17Q, R is the required answer. And the same is written. Okay. So this way, the numbers or the number series is being merged with the alphabetic series, and it is called as alphanumeric series. That was simple. Students, let us take the other example. A3D, C4G, E5J, G6M. Here we are getting that alphabets, or let us start with the number 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. So next, the answer that we will write, that will also consist of 3 characters. In that, the middle character will be this number, and that will be 7, because 3, 4, 5, 6, so it will be 7, because it is increasing by 1. Students, now coming for the other part. Here we have A and B, C and G, E and J, G and M. What will be this and this? Students, keep in mind, if we write the position value of this A is 1 and D is 4. If we write the position value of C and G, the C have position value 3 and G have position value 7. Then, if we consider the next one, E as the 5 and J as the 10, G 7, M as 13.
13.
Now let us find how is the variation of this alphabet. And students, we can find it. See, this is the D to J, means it is plus 3. G to J means plus 3. This J to M plus 3. So this character will be obtained by M plus 3. Student, M का मीनिंग है 13 plus 3 वाला अल्फाबेट हम ढूंढ रहे हैं. ये हमारे को 16 मिलता है, and 16 is nothing but it is the P. तो देखिए, here we have obtained this as 7P. But what will be this one? For finding this one, again we have to go for the series of this A. So let us apply the series for A. Again, let us come for this first character of this triplet. A is like 1, 3, 5, 7. So surely the next will be our 9. The alphabet corresponding to 9 is I. So it is I. So answer is I 7P. This is the required answer. Okay, that much easy. So whatever the characteristic of numbers and alphabets, both are applied here. And we have to keep in mind, we shall set our mind for the alphabet in the term of number only. That will save you time. Initially it may appear you difficult, और अभी आपको A, C, B, D ऐसा काउंट करने में शायद इजी लगता हो, बट बड़े बड़े जब नंबर आएंगे तो बहुत मुश्किल होंगे आपके लिए. हाँ, so that's why अल्फाबेट को पोजीशन के टर्म में ऑलवेज याद रखिए. Now let us come for the third. Let us consider this third. DG is 11, CR is 21, then what will be GR? The very first thing or the general idea is whatever this D and G, you write their position value. आपको हमने पहले क्लास में इसीलिए बताया था स्टूडेंट, अल्फाबेट को नंबर के टर्म में देखिए. नंबर्स में स्क्वायर, क्यूब, टेबल्स, ये सब ऐसे ध्यान में रखिए. ओके नो, इसी में पूरा मैथ बेस्ड है. ओके नो, व्हाट एवर वी आर लर्निंग, नेक्स्ट डे वी विल यूज दिस फास्टर, एंड इतना टाइम आपको हम समझाएंगे भी नहीं. सो स्टूडेंट, considering this, DG is 11, CR is 21, then GR we need to find. So let us see this D and G in the term of number. D is 4, G is 7, but adding this 4 and 7, we are getting this 11. So this number is obtained by adding the position value. C and R. Yeah, listen. So C is our
3.
3 and
18.
R, very good. The R is our 18. If we are adding this 3 and 18,
21.
we are getting this 21. Means the what can be obtained by considering the position value of G.
7
So
plus
G have the position value 7 and R have the position value 18.
18.
Students,
5.
therefore, what can be obtained by adding the position value of G and position value of R? So it is 7 plus 18
25.
is our 25. So 25 is the answer. So students, unless or until you are knowing these traits or these things, यदि आप जस्ट एग्जाम में चले जाएंगे बिना पढ़े हुए, ये सब आप कर पाएंगे क्या? अभी हमने बताया तो अभी आपको इजी लगता है, बट यदि आप घर में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगेगा. बट एक बार थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस कर लिया तो चीजें बहुत इजी है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इजी थिंग. मैथ में आउट ऑफ 100 इवन वन ऑफ द एवरेज स्टूडेंट कैन स्कोर 80 और 75. इतना इजी है, प्रोवाइडेड ही हैव डन द प्रैक्टिस. और यदि आपने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किए हैं तो इवन अ वेरी गुड और टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट हु हैव नेवर प्रैक्टिस्ड और वो डायरेक्ट एग्जाम में यदि चले जाए तो वो भी 40 और 50 से ज्यादा नहीं कर पाएगा. बिकॉज इट इज व्हाट, टाइम. टाइम इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो दिस वे वी हैव लर्न. So this way we have understood alphanumeric series में आपको अल्फाबेट्स एंड नंबर दोनों रहते हैं, दोनों के रिलेशन आपको फाइंड आउट करके फाइंड करने. स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस कम फॉर द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ दिस सीरीज, alphabetic or characters pattern. I had already explained earlier, but let us see. It is given that A dash C dash B C A dash B C dash A B. What is the other? So all the other places you have to find the character. Surely that character will be from whatever the given A B C only. Students, for that you just count the number of position. 1, 2. Yeah, listen first. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total there are 15 character pattern. यहाँ पे टोटल आपको स्टूडेंट्स 15 कैरेक्टर हैं इस पैटर्न में. कौन सा कैरेक्टर? हमने ब्लैंक स्पेस को भी काउंट किया. फिर से काउंट करता हूं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. स्टूडेंट्स, ये 15 है. बट इन द केस ऑफ कैरेक्टर और पैटर्न बेस, certain things will be repeated. But so what is the repetition? That we can obtain by conveniently dividing this. We can make the group of 3 into 5. Means it is possible to group the 3 and the 3 set of character is going to repeat again and again. Or it is possible to consider 5 with such a 3 set. If I am considering the first one, considering the blank space also, so 1, 1, 2, 3 next, 1, 2, 3 next, 1, 2, 3 next, and another 3. Now, whatever this set of characters present in this first have to be repeated with second, with the third, with the fourth, and so on. Okay, students? So, students, coming to this, I have rewritten this question. Coming to this, here, total character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, so it is 15. Now, this 15 have to be divided into the groups. I can make the group of 3 character, and such group that we will obtain will be 5, or the other one may group the 5 character and such group will be 3 number. I am preferring this one. If not, then we may go for this one also. Considering this, put a line or slashing here at each of the 3 grouping 3. Now observe, compare one group with the other group among these lines whatever we have kept, and whatever this set in first group, that should be repeated with the second, repeated with the third, repeated with the fourth, repeated with the fifth one. So for that we have to observe carefully the B is, or even for the first one, compare this first with the second one. This A is the first for the first group, it should also be for the second. So here we shall fill this by A. Also by comparing, even this B shall come here. This C is matching, it's okay. Now compare this with the second with the third one, or even first with the third one, they shall also match. This A and A, it's okay. So this should be B, and C is already matching, it's okay. Compare this with the third one, sorry, the next group succeeding to this, A, the first character of this group, AA, so this B shall be put here, C is matching, it's okay. Now apply the same for this one, means the A should be here and this C should be here, B is there, so it should be C. So the answer should be whatever B that we have written, the A that we have written, the B that we have written, the E that we have written, A and C. So this is the answer. So student, you must copy this. So this is how the pattern we are determining. Students, even this pattern can also be determined by our observation. So just we have learned one of the method. There could be the another method, the method number 2 for solving this alphabetic character. A student, there is another way where you just observe this biggest given set, compare it with the before and after. Okay, whatever the biggest given set, it is our BCA, and the other one is our CA, and we need to compare it. Students, here we are getting that while comparing this B and C, means in among this bigger set of number which is given, so B is followed by C. It means before this C there is B. So wherever this C is present, everywhere before that we shall try with B. So these are the C position, before that you just fill this B. So just before this C, B, that's all. And C is also followed by A. So wherever after the C position, you have to put it A. Yeah, A. The B is followed by C. So for the last one, it will be C. So this could be the other method, where you just consider the bigger one, bigger given set, and apply the same kind of thing or the same pattern for all others. So for this simplest one, it is quite easy, or if this method appear easier. But wherever this different kind of patterns given, where it need not be ABC, ABC, if the pattern is like this, a student say ABC, BCA, CAB, ABC, BCA, CAB. If the pattern is like this, at that time, sometimes this easier method is not valid. Means what? Students, you may be given with ABC. The next one is, observe, this is not exactly ABC, but the same character is being rotated. ABC, BCA. The next one is CAB. Means it is like this: A to B to C. So A to B to C, or even starting from B to C to A, or even starting from this C to A to B. Means any of the three. Means these three are in circle. That could be the other ways. That is followed here. ABC, BCA, CAB, again ABC, BCA, CAB. This could be the other way, in which even this B will be missing, or even this A will be missing, even this C will be missing, this B will be missing, this B will be missing, this A will be missing. You have to fill all these things, whatever these missing characters, what is being darkened, what will be here. In that case, our first method is more useful. Okay, students? Such kind of question we will solve. Students, the other way or other pattern could be also like this. Students, here we have considered this cyclic one. Another can be like this: A, B, C, just reverse. C, B, A, B, C, C, B, A. Then A, B, C. Means A, B, C, reverse of that. A, B, C, then reverse, means C, A, B. We are getting this. Then again reverse of this, A, B, C, C, A, B. Okay. So this way, even the reversal is also possible. So adjacent are not exactly same, but adjacent are reversed. In this case, the adjacent was shifting by one position in cyclic fashion. So such a pattern are possible for this alphabetic or character pattern. So these are mostly, these three are asked. The simplest way, you first identify this number of sets or number of group. Take one group, compare with the other, whether they are exactly matching with the third one, fourth one, with all, or one is being shifted or one is being reversed. This thing. Student, it was this one. Let us consider this one, the second question. This one, student. NPILCILN. So what is this? NPCIL, NPCIL. देखिए भर दिया हमने. So CNPPCL. ये आपका कैरेक्टर बन गया. तो देखिए ऐसा कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है आपसे. Maybe ask for the NTPC. The same thing may be asked in the term of numbers also. Even this pattern, what it can be. A student, compare this.
1357.
Good. So students, here you are getting that 157, 157 and 3. Only there are four kind of character. 1, 5,
3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 5, 7.
So these are the four characters. So we shall make this set of 4, or otherwise we may count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
In this case, there are total 16 characters. So I shall group them as 4 cross 4. Means the group of 4 character, and such 4 group we will get. So divide it into the 4. First 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This way. Now compare one with the adjacent. 1 blank 5. Here after 1 it is 3. So try with the 3 here. Next one is blank.
7.
And the last one is 7. I may put this 5 here and 7 here. But whether this is valid or not, this we have to compare for the others one also. So while keeping this 3 here
5.
and 5 here, yeah, 7 is matching. Now 5, 7 is here. So 1 and 3 will be here. Therefore our answer will be whatever we had filled here, 3, 5, 7,
3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 1, 3.
Okay, students. So such kind of repeated characters or repeated alphabets or number is asked in this group. So this is the fourth group. A student, just few more minutes. We are going to stop the class. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि लेट हो रहे हैं आप लोग, बट हम इस स्लाइड को जस्ट खत्म करें क्योंकि ये पूरा मैथ का पूरे सीरीज का समरी है इसमें. यदि आपको ये वीडियो विल मेड अवेलेबल, आप इसको 2-3 बार देखो. एंड आप लोग को मैंने लास्ट टाइम बोला था कि आप जो एक वीडियो जो हमने पोस्ट किया था, आप उसे देख करके पॉज करके खुद से सॉल्व करिए. आप देख रहे हैं सारा का सारा चीज उसका रिपीटेड है, बट ज्यादातर बच्चे ने शायद ध्यान से देखा नहीं है. आप जस्ट देखना नहीं है, पॉज करना है, सॉल्व करना है, आंसर मैच करना है. नहीं मैच करता है, नहीं आप ढूंढ पाए, तब जाके प्ले कर करके देखिए कि हमने उसे कैसे सॉल्व किया. आपको ये स्किल डेवलप करना है, तभी आप एनटीएससी और कंपटीशन क्रैक कर पाएंगे. स्टूडेंट, आपने एक बार डेवलप कर लिया, बहुत इजी है, और यदि आपने डेवलप नहीं किया तो लाइफ टाइम आपको डिफिकल्टी होगी. सो दिस वे दिस 4 kind of pattern we have learned. A student, the 5th kind, non-verbal. Coming to this, these are some of the 4 figures given, and we have to find the 5th figure. In this figure, there is one circle and triangle on the 2 vertex. We have to compare first with the second, second with the third, third with the fourth, and we have to observe how these internal smaller circle and triangles are moving. The similar situation we have to draw for this one. Students, it's obvious that the next figure that we have to draw will be within the hexagonal pattern, but we have to fix the position of this triangle and this circle here. Students, watch it carefully, how to find that position. So for that, wherever 2 such a smaller figure or a smaller shape are given within this, you observe how they are changing. So that variation we have to observe. A student, first of all, you just focus over one. Consider for this triangle, or you may consider for this circle. Students, I am going to consider for this circle. Observe, compare, this circle is at this location in this, but it have gone to this location in this. It is here. Means the circle have moved one position. If I compare this with this one, here it is here, but here it have gone to this. Means from this one position. If I compare this with this one, again we are getting it have just shifted from this position to this position. It is here. So in next one, surely I shall shift this to this position. So this will be, means the circle will come here. This way one of the figure we have determined, or one of the shape we have allocated. Now come for the other shape within this. Students, for that we have to take the other triangle. Observe how is this triangle movement. Triangle was present here, but here it have gone to this new position, this position. Here to here there is 2 side shifted, one vertex directly 2. If I compare this with this one, it have come to here. Don't worry, this circle is already there. That doesn't matter. Again the 2 position. So it is shifting in clockwise. So this shifting is your clockwise 2 position. But earlier we had seen that it was shifting anti-clockwise. This was anti-clockwise. I will explain what is this clockwise, anti-clockwise, all those things later. Students, again if I compare this with this one, this have shifted 2 position to come here. It is here, means 1, 1, 2, 2 position. So surely I shall draw this, the 2 position here, the clockwise, the same fashion as student. You are getting no? So I shall put the triangle here. So triangle will be here, student. So this is the required figure. In options, there will be various other figure will be given, and in that you have to choose this one only. Student, let us say this is the required figure what we had drawn. So these are the, so some kind of question based on the rotation or reflection or new entry, means initially 2, next 3 ball, next 4 ball, that kind. So those things we will see in more detail in non-verbal. Students, there is, so these are the 5 categories of series, but a question is framed based on forming the identical series. Like this series is given where the number starts with 5 to 9 to 13 to 17. You may be asked to form a series where the number, means a student, I'm just writing this, many of the students it may not be visible. So it may be given that one of the series given is 9, 13 and 17. And you have to find a new series. This is the given series. Okay, student? You have to form a same kind of series which is going to start with, say, 11. Then these things you have to find. A, B, C, and D. So the question will be, what is the, or even it may be E. So what is the value of D when the identical series is formed with the starting number 11? So students, in such kind of question, you will first find the rule from the first series, then you will apply the same rule for the second series, but it will start from 11, not the 5. So from the first series, we are getting that the rule is...
Sir, it will be 15.
Very good. So students, from the first series, we are getting that the rule is next number is obtained by adding 4, adding 4, adding 4. So the new series that we have to find is also obtained by applying the same rule. So adding 4, this become, A become 11 plus 4 is our 15.
B equal to 19.
B is also obtained by adding 4 in this 15. Yeah, listen. So students, the A is calculated by adding 4 in this 11, it becomes 15. For B, again the same 4 we have to add in this 15. So adding 4 in this 15, it becomes 19. The next one means the B is our 19. The next one we have to add 4 in this 19. It becomes 23. The next one, again we have to add this 4 in this 23. It becomes 27. So the question was to find this D. So D will be our 27 is the answer. Okay, student? That much simple. Even it may be asked to find a new E also. So this way, forming a new series with or which is identical to first series but starting with different numbers. So that is the last category of question. So it is here. Students, this is called as equivalent series. See here, the number is 86, 76, 67, 59, 52. Here you have to find this what? Means this E you have to find here. But this E value that we want to know, keep in mind this E we have to find. But this series should start with this 52. So we have to search the rule. How is this variation? Here we are getting that 86 to 76 is subtraction of 10. Student, it is subtraction of 10. Next, 76 to 67, subtraction of 9. The next, 67 to 59, subtraction of 8. The next,
7
is the subtraction of 7. So this way we are getting that this series
-6.
in which the next term is obtained by subtracting the number which is continuously decreasing. So if we want to get this one, it should be -6, and it should be the 46. But the question is not for this 46 only, but this E also. Student, so one answer is 46. It's okay. Coming to the other. So the identical series, which is starting with this 52. So in this 52, for getting A, I need to subtract minus 10. So A becomes 42. Now, from this 42, I need to subtract minus 9. It becomes 31. Sorry, 33 students. So students, B is our 33. Students, then go for the other. B to C minus 8 we have to do. Subtracting
25.
8, very good. It is our 25. Then we need to subtract 7. It become 18.
18.
Then go for subtracting 6. It will be our 12. So required answer is a student 12, not this 22. Okay. So the answer is our 12. Getting it, students? So this way, the equivalent series can be formed by knowing the rule from the given series. So this is the last type of question. Only 6 kind of question or series are framed, and we have learned all of this. So students, everything we have learned here. So what is next? Next is nothing but the same thing I had explained. This can be the ascending, like here you are getting it is increasing order. Find it. What will be the answer here? Student, this may be the descending one. Descending में क्या है? ये सीधे घट रहे हैं, like I had explained here. So also do this as the homework. Though the rules I had explained. 67, 33, 16, what? 3.25. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो देखिए ये क्वेश्चन तो बहुत ही आपको इजी सा दिख भी रहा होगा. डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर का रूल. स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसे ऐसा करें, या तो आप इधर से इधर देखें असेंडिंग, और डिसेंडिंग में आप ये करिए 67 माइनस 1 कर लेते हैं, तो आपको जितना मिलता है उस पूरे को आप 2 से डिवाइड करिए, तो देखिए आपको 33 मिल रहा है. 33. 67 माइनस 1 इज 66 बाई 2 इज 33. अब आप इस 33 में माइनस 1 कर लेंगे तो आपको 32 मिलेगा. अब आप इस 32 को यदि 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो देखिए 16 मिल रहा है. तो नेक्स्ट नंबर क्या होना चाहिए? ये हमें 16 माइनस 1 यानी 15 बाई 2, तो ये हमें 7.5 होना चाहिए. ये रूल क्या आगे एप्लीकेबल है? यस, इट इज एप्लीकेबल, बिकॉज 7.5 में आप जब माइनस 1 करते हैं 6.5 बाई 2 करते हैं तो ये 3.25. देखिए यही चीजें यहां आ रही है. ओके, सो आई हैड गिवन यू द होमवर्क बट आई हैड एक्सप्लेन्ड इट. यू प्लीज डू दिस. It is one more rule is, so this way I had explained all the possible type of questions or the type of series in this class. Next day again we will practice over the more questions based on this number series. A new kind of question called spotting the wrong terms or wrong number. जैसे अभी ये सीरीज दिया हुआ है, ये व्हाट के बदले आपको ये 59 के बदले कुछ और भी टर्म दे दे, 60 दे दे, ये व्हाट इसमें नहीं पूछेगा, पूछेगा रॉन्ग नंबर क्या है. तो आप देखिए बाकी जगह फॉलो होगा बट ये 60 में फॉलो नहीं होगा, तो ये 60 विल बी द रॉन्ग नंबर और रॉन्ग टर्म. तो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन हम लोग कल करने वाले हैं.